Here are 3 PVC ball valves. They may look similar, but each is designed for a different purpose. Let's break it down. You've got a single union ball valve, an economy double union ball valve, and an industrial double union ball valve. They all share some useful features too, which we'll come back to. First, here is the single union ball valve, best used when space, cost and accessibility are limited. It's a more budget-friendly option and thrives when pipe runs are tight, like small plant rooms, inside cabinets and behind panels. These should primarily be used at the end of a line because when installed in line, one side is fixed to the pipework, meaning maintenance can be more challenging. This isn't a problem for the economy double union ball valve because it can be easily removed from the pipework at both ends, making it ideal for general use in standard water and non-critical systems. For example, pools and leisure centres, commercial buildings and water services. Like the single union ball valve, it's batch pressure tested 1 in every 1,000 valves. These are the most commonly used valves as they are a great balance between reliability and price. But if you need complete confidence, then that's where the industrial double union ball valve comes in. Every valve is fully pressure tested before being sent out. Another big difference is the red handle for clear identification and 2 extra O-rings to increase the safety and security of the pipe system. Additionally, each valve is labelled with a batch number, offering full traceability of the valve. This makes it ideal for demanding, critical applications where failure could have financial or health and safety implications, making the higher cost worthwhile for the added reliability. You'll typically find them used in laboratories, chemical plants, and hospitals. These valves have a number of things in common, including they are all full bore, ensuring minimal pressure loss through the valve. They have a floating ball inside, secured in place with a locking end. This allows you to control the torque, ensuring smooth operation with a watertight seal. They are fully serviceable with O-ring replacements available. So, to sum it up, single union valves are ideal for tight spaces and systems that won't need frequent maintenance. Economy double union ball valves are perfect for general purpose, non-critical applications. Industrial valves are built for critical jobs where reliability and safety matters most. Choose the right valve for the job now at pipestock.com